Alright, we are about to start now. I hope everyone is here watching our live. Let me just adjust my cameras and everything. Okay, today is going to be a very interesting topic. You know what? Because today we have an honor to invite three of our strategy partners to share their experience with you guys, how to digitalize your business, especially when we look at the current market situations, our MCO period. We believe we have a strong gut that probably that another one more month in mid of May or probably end of May, we have the big chances that the government going to lift up this MCO. So by calculating on this 1 month period, we have about what do you plan, how do you plan to start your business? Because why I highlighted this? Because right now I believe our entire retail experience or across all industry, the landscape is definitely have changed. All right. Today's topic is going to be very interesting. But before that, I want you guys that whoever come in, help me to share this video out to as many friends as you can. All right. You know why? Because the effort that you're putting in today, you might be the lucky winners to win the prizes from all these speakers has been given to all of you. You know, because of effort shared to engage with more friends to understand what is the industry landscape has got to be changed and how these three speakers gonna share their technology with you guys to kickstart your business in digital transformation. This is a very interesting topic, guys. I believe it's very interesting topic. I want you guys to from now to share your video out, okay? At least at least 3 to 5 group. At least 3 to 5 group. So the effort that you're putting in, we won't be forgifted, all right? We will select those that has been shared our videos out today. We will be given the lucky prizes to the person who have shared. All right, I can tell you guys the content we're going to share today, the video, the prizes they're going to share with you guys. You will definitely feel lucky. I can tell you the truth. You will definitely feel lucky to get these prizes from this to this from this guest. All right. So help me to share. Show me the support today. Show me the support right now. Okay. Hi everyone. I'm your guest for today from Second Life Asia. My name is Alan. I'm the co-founder for Second Life Asia. So we're about to begin now, but before I bring in all my guests to come in, I want you guys to help me to reach out and to or share to as many as we can to your friends who have been interested or are struggling on this MCO periods on during this crisis that they want to transform their business to digital. So please help me to share, to reach out as many guests as possible. I want to fill up this room tonight. So let's help me together here. So let's give another 10 minutes. We will help start to kickstart this program by inviting the guests. All right? Help me to right now. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Trust me, the effort that you shared our life today, you've definitely been rewarded. And the reward that you are getting is very attractive. First of all, it's very attractive. You know why? I have shared a lot of my friends concerns during this MPO period, or even when I run my business and Second Life Asia. A lot of them were telling me they have struggling, they don't know how to digitalize their business. All right, this is a common issue that happen. I heard a lot of it, even even though it's from financing industry, or somebody from the property agent, or some of them even is selling the traditional business like selling the meat, vegetable, and fruit. This is what I have been trying to highlight almost every time during my life. They are struggling and they have no ideas how they can transform their business. Today's topic is going to be very interesting. You will hear the real case scenario that that a industry has been running more than 100 years, that's not able to recover the debt over the millions, all right? Through the solution or the service they provided from one of the speaker, they managed to recover almost 90% in within 6 months. You heard me? Within 6 months, over millions ringgit. Once they transform to digitalized, they have automated the entire payment system and the collection system. So they managed to recover the entire debt in 6 months' time. Do you want to listen to the story? Okay, you were definitely interested to know how they can help you on this. There's another partners that I'm going to bring in. He is a very impressive guy that I ever met in my career's life. All right, I can tell you the truth. He is under 30 years old. All right, he's under 30 years old. But you know what, guys? His companies, he's managing the company with few of his partners, and his company is managing over 30 programming engineers in his company. And you know what's the best thing is? His annual turnover can reach up to 10 million annually. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? When we was like 30 years old, how much we are making in that point of time? Probably a few thousand ringgit. And imagine now, one of the speaker right now is below 30 years old, and his company is making over 10 millions a year averagely. Think about it. How can it happen? How can he do it? Do you interested want to know about him? I, today, you have a chance. I can tell you the truth. You have a chance to talk to him personally, and he will give you the ideas, or even you can tell him what is the problem that you're having right now in your business. He will help you to solve it, to automate your entire operating system, your office operation, to make it in revenue. Okay, this is the topics that you're gonna listen right now. All right. And one more things that this is an extraordinary person that I ever met in my career's life as well. This guy, he has been in 30 years in the media industry. 30 years in the media industry. You know what? He's been involved in most of the regional governments bodies, and he's very experienced in across on all the social networkings. A lot of people is giving very good credit. When I ask my friend, hey, have you heard about this guy? Whoa, man, this guy, good guy. You should know him. He will help you a lot. And think about it. Right now, you are facing a difficulty to automate your entire business or digitize your business. And his solution is pretty awesome, I can tell you. Why do I say that? I have a friend in the finance industry. This is a true story that I heard, It's a true story. One of my close friends, even it's my relative. He has working in the finance industry, and he was actually, when I asked him, hey, how are you going to operate your business right now when you are working at home? He said, very difficult, bro, very difficult. Why? Because in the finance industry, they are not allowed to carry the customer documents or any application back home. You see? So they can only allow to work when they're back to office. And you know what? There has been scheduled to rotate to work in the office. So the whole entire process of her workload has been dragged down because they cannot automate or transform the entire procedure into digitalized. Imagine that in the finance industry. It could be in audit, it can be in accounting, it can be in banking industry. So if you're in this industry and you have a chance to listen up this speaker providing the solution for you, and I will give you a very good surprise. I can assure you that the solution they could provide to you will definitely benefit your goal. You heard me, right? You heard me. Okay? It's be very a surprise gift gonna given. And in order for me to choose who is the lucky winner to get all these prizes, to have a one-to-one section to these speakers, to have the section to use the platform to kickstart your your business, you need to be the one to help me to share my life today. All right? You must share it out. Once you share it out, I will know you did share. Okay, my phone is in front of me. I will know you are watching and you have shared my life. All right? Once you have shared, then I will pick the person who interested and have interact with me, with us. I would say no, not only me. I think it's interact with all of us. You can throw your question in the group, and we will able to pick you up. All right? You heard me? We're gonna start very very soon. Let's take another 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Hi Eddie, I see you here. Eddie, Ross, Benny, Aries. Oh, Benny is in fact is watching us right now. All right. Please, guys, help me to share in these 3 minutes as much as you can. The person who shared our videos live, and you're going to be the lucky person to get these prizes from all these speakers. All right, you heard me? We will kickstart in 3 minutes. You start to share the live right now to any group that you know, to any friends, to any entrepreneur who need to know how to transform their business, even probably to your relative that he or she is struggling on this MCO that couldn't run the business. All right, today you will hear that's a real case. I'm gonna share with you guys from this speaker how they can transform their business in less than a week, and you'll be surprised, even shorter than a week. All right, you want to know how? Help me to share now. Okay, in another 2 more minutes. All right, help me to share. You'll be the lucky winner to choose to be one-to-one section with him, or even use the platform to be the first one to use the platform. Okay, imagine it right now. Before the MCO lift up in a month's time, you have started to configure your entire business in the digital dice, in automatic transformations. You can run your business online, offline, even it doesn't matter whether you are a traditional business or not. I can tell you the truth. There's a business has been running over 100 years. It's never been changed. All right, today's story is going to be very, very exciting. Over 100 years, they don't know how to change. But with the help of one of the speakers, his system right now, he's turning his business to be a profitable business in 6 months' time. Think about it. Is it the real story, the things that you want to hear, to how to automate, to digitize your business? All right, help me to share right now, please. All right. Another 1 more minute. I'm gonna dial this. I will dial in. I'll get all these people to come in to my live, and they will share their story with you. Okay? Okay. I'm calling them right now. So don't miss out the chance. All right. Let's put Benny, Ivan, and Andy into the pictures. All right. You guys can start calling now, bro. Let's bring it on. Let's give a clap to these all 3 speakers today. All right, let's welcome them. Okay, come on, it's coming up. Don't miss the chance, bro. They are very, very excited by watching and listening how they're transforming your business. Think about it, how you can automate and transform your business. Today, I'm bringing these 3 speakers. They are the real case. They are coming in now. I can see there's one guy coming in. Andy is coming in already. All right. Okay, Andy is in. Give me a minute. Let me get everyone in first, then I will make everyone cheer. Okay. If you want to know how you can transform your business, don't miss this chance. Okay. These 3 speakers is very powerful. I can tell you it's very, very powerful. When I heard about their story, how they can automate their others' client business, I feel so excited. Then there's the purpose. I feel like, bro, why don't we start this webinar to share our story with them, to this audience, to everyone who are struggling right now in MCO, okay? And we were going to do it very special. 1 month before the MCO lift up, you guys can interact with all these speakers, how they can transform your business, okay? How they're going to transform your business. And when the MCO lift up, you are ahead of the rest. Do you want to be the one? Do you want to be the one? Come on. Tell me if you like. Just click yes, please. Click yes. Click yes. I want to see yes, 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 yes on my chat room. I want to see yes. If you want to know why, let's show me. Okay, you are desperately to know the secret of this speaker, how they can help their clients to automate the entire business. All right, one more guest is coming in. Ivan is in the ready. Now we left one more. Benny. Okay, Benny is in also. All right. Now it's very good. What we're gonna do? What we're gonna do? We're gonna share this screen to everyone now. Okay, you heard me? Give me a minute. I will navigate this thing. Okay. All right, it's coming up. Hang on, I'm setting up here. Okay, you see me, guys? We are in now. Okay, let's talk.
Hi, Alan, how are you?
I'm good. How's everyone?
Hi.
Good.
It's a
Good.
good Friday night.
It's a very good night. It's a very productive Friday's night today. Okay, let's don't waste our weekend. And even though this is a long holidays we used to have now. Okay. Oh,
TGIF.
all right. Cool. All right. Now we have three guests. All right, we have three guests. You see Andy. Andy, he's the E-Menu Malaysia Managing Directors. Okay, and you will see Ivan. Ivan is the ETZ Global. His company have a very good tech name. It's called Programming Factory. And you see our externally strategy partners, Cat Eats, which is from Benny Yo. All right, please welcome them and let him share about the story. Okay, I'll leave it to you guys. So Andy, perhaps you can start first to introduce about yourself here. All right, Andy, come.
Hey, hi everyone. Hey, good evening. Thanks, Alan, for this opportunity to share a little bit of our experiences in the industry. So, like what you've heard from Alan, I'm from eMenu Malaysia. So we are basically a company doing IoT solutions and with big data analysis for e-commerce and F&B industry. Maybe many of you will be wondering what is big data analysis got to do with the F&B industry, right? So I think many of you will be wondering, F&B is F&B, isn't it? So because in F&B, there are many items in a restaurant or cafe which, based on our experience, many business owner doesn't understand the true value of this data. The data that we have captured is basically will transform into some interesting numbers. So the numbers can tell you a lot of things, and this number will eventually turn into figure, which is money. You know, that's why, yes, money. Especially during this MCO time, everybody is saying that, oh my God, everybody has money issue, isn't it? So we in eMenu, we believe that we can turn all this raw data into a useful information to every of our customers. Yep, this is basically what we are doing. So we are able to help our business owner, even if you do not have any F&B experience, we are able to help you to get all the insights within the shortest time. Believe me.
Andy,
So,
you need to tell them the example that you tell me. I want to know about it.
Yeah. One of the example is we got called into one of these prestigious club. Very interesting. It's 100 over years old. So when they call us in, we were like, how can we help them, right? So lo and behold, then we realized that it's because in any of the clubs, those private clubs in Malaysia, right, they have a common pain point, which is credit system. Even after all these years, right, they're still running credit system. They have 60 days of credit and then another 15 days of grace period. So that is 75 days of credits. So in order to recover the credits, money, we're talking about money, right? It is really painful for them.
And
It
how
is
much?
really difficult.
How much for that?
Up to millions. Up to millions.
Up to million.
I can only review that it's up to $1 million. It's
Oh my
so
God.
difficult for them to recover that.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So after a couple of meetings and tuning and adjustment, so we are our software e-menu, it's able to transform the credit system into a prepaid system.
Wow.
So just within 6 months, they were able to recover all the, I can say it, bad debts lah.
This is what
So
the
this
business
is
man
the
want to listen,
value.
you know.
Yeah. Yes, this is the value. This is the value. Oh, we are so happy. I mean, we are extremely happy that our solution it's able to create values to our customers. Yeah, I
Amazing.
can have so many examples in this talk because as we realize that in F&B, right, there are many times the owner will tell you that we need 20 years, 30 years experience in order to know the inside out of this business. But with our software e-menu right now, we are able to capture all this data. And business owner, whether they have little experience or with no experience, they are able to capture all the insights within shortest time.
Oh yes.
So that's why we really believe that our value it's I mean it's so great to see that a business owner can continue the business
Yes.
doing even better.
And I also need to highlight one thing, sir, guys. One thing. Andy, he's come from IBM, and he have 10 years has been working with IBM. So in terms of all this
Yeah.
big data or this data analysis, he's a perfect man, man. He's a perfect man. He will know how to transform your business and analyze your business on your customer profile and transform the entire become a revenue. This is a key point. All right, he's a key man for that. Okay, cool. Let's talk about Ivan. Tell me, what about you? What about you and
Hi,
your
yeah.
business? You are the one of the youngest among us, you know, been running a 10
Yeah.
million revenue, turnover revenue annually, man. We are very impressed. We are very impressed. Come, tell me, share
Yeah,
about your story.
I'm a 29-year-old that Alan
Woo.
mentioned. Okay. Yeah. So I just gonna have a quick one about myself. Okay. I'm Ivan from ETC Tech. Like Alan mentioned that we're actually programming factory. So why do we say ourselves program factory? Because we mainly do programming. So that's our passion. We actually have another tagline. We call it "Relax. We do this for a living." So if you can't even do programming things right, so we cannot survive. So that's why we are so passionate in doing programming. So that's our core. Yeah. I've been in this industry for about 8 years. Okay. And we have been serving about like 200 to 300 different clients every year. So we actually build mobile applications and also websites, web applications for our clients. Okay. So I believe everyone here is having a solutions that how to turn something into better revenue generation. Okay, so like Andy, so you're using your cloud-based support system. So Benny, you have your own e-catalog system. So then I'll leave it to you later. Okay, so our end is to see how we can convert the traditional business into IT. Okay, let me share you some examples. Okay, I actually came across with this client. So he actually do logistic. Okay, so he got all his departments like finance, sales, okay, designers, and people from the inventory department, from logistic department. Okay, so it's if I'm not mistaken, it's a 20 years company. So they've been doing manufacturing. So recently, they actually approached us and they wanted to solve their internal problems because it's been years they've been using manual work, like using paperwork, okay, so to keep track. So we actually try to talk to them like, okay, how can I help you? So can you describe your problem to me? Okay, so let's say from department A, okay, so I'm having this problem in keep track where is my stock is, okay, and then from department B, a problem in reminding what should I do next, okay. So I said, okay, come, let me help you, okay. I can build a system on a mobile application to solve your problems, okay. So we actually came up with these solutions, okay, to help them to keep track and monitor their inventory in and out. okay, their payment collections, okay, so they are, and all their sales and quotation generations, okay, and also how to manage their customer database. So everything is systemized and it never goes wrong because everything is stored in database and managed by the logic that they put behind. Okay, so it took 6 months. Okay, like Alan mentioned earlier, it took 6 months for us to build this solution, and they just save up to 30% of their production cost. Okay,
Whoa!
and increase, yes, and it actually increase in performance as well. Okay, so they don't have to like keep on waiting or keep on looking at something that they might forgotten, because the system will actually automatically send them a reminder. Okay, and it will tell them like, hey, when you should replenish your stock. Okay, when you should send this out and when you should assign this. Okay, so is there anything missing? So they actually use a system, just one single system, okay, to reduce their workload, and this is really benefit to them in just 6 months time.
Does it generate any revenue from there?
Yes, because you know what, when the production go faster, so they can actually get more and more and more sales in. Yeah, because they don't have to rely on manpower to slowly into their production line, so they can shorten their production line and produce a mass amount
Wow.
of their goods to their clients.
Seriously, you know what? If you can develop a software that can help me to reduce my OPEX for 30% and still increasing my sales revenue for probably another 20%, dude, you are helping the company to save close to 50%, bro. Come on, you
Yeah.
are the best right now. We should talk about it. We should talk about it, okay? Okay, cool. So let's bring it to the next guy, which is our best man, Benny. Benny. How, Benny? Please tell me about you and introduce about yourself to all the audience. Come.
Hello, everyone. My name is Benny Yo. I'm the founder of CatDis. CatDis is a digital catalog management platform. So what it means is manages all your catalogs. As you know that in the past decades, many decades ago, or even in the 19th century, everybody anyone in the world who wants to market a product, you need a catalog. Any business, whether you want to promote your company profile, your products and services, you need a catalog. So
Yes.
everyone print catalog.
Yes.
So thanks to these catalogs, now we have this earth giving us problem, cutting down a lot of trees and all this. So thanks to internet world, okay, thanks to the internet world that comes in, the digital world is already in some few decades ago, and slowly, it has changed. People are already going to do less printing, and to save costs, they go into PDF. They go to PDF catalogs. Now, previously PDF catalogs, their resolution is not so good. So probably it's still slow, and you don't have when at the time you do not have WhatsApp, WeChat, and that kind of thing. You don't have social media and that kind of thing. So probably people just use PDF to email to each other and all this right now. But today, PDF catalog is very, very, I can say, so common right now. I say,
Yeah.
hey, please, Alan, please send me a catalog, and you can just simply send me a catalog via PDF. You can just, and if you make a mistake in a PDF, you can just simply change it without paying any cost.
Yes.
So PDF is the file for catalog, which is used worldwide today.
Yep.
So we are not going to change how you do it, but there is still an issue here. You see, if Alan, one day, or any of our viewers here, you send your catalogs to somebody, you send the catalog to somebody right now. When you send it out to somebody via WhatsApp, okay, and I can tell you one thing is that tomorrow you send this same catalog to another person and different people. The question is, the thing is that can you remember how many catalogs that you actually send it out? Because you have to track all in your WhatsApp. Some of them you send it by email, some of them you send by WeChat. So you won't be able to know catalog A to whom you've sent before, to catalog B to whom you sent before. Probably after 2 months you forget everything.
Yes.
You see, now that's the thing. But you see, this is marketing. To keep track is very important. So marketing, this is very important. So what we do, so there is no such platform currently in the world that's able to actually manage those catalogs, those e-catalogs that you actually send out. So what we did is we built a platform. We built a platform which is called the CatDis. Okay, it's a digital catalog management system that allows everybody in the world to upload all your catalogs and to be managed into this system. Who manage it? You manage it. Every single one, the catalog owners will manage their own catalogs by themselves. We provide this platform. And what's the best? It's totally free of charge.
Whoa,
You don't have to pay
man!
a single.
You're gonna blow my
Yes.
mind, man. Free of charge.
It's totally free of charge. And some of the users will say, "Oh, I think you're probably going to charge me 2 months later or 3 months later." No, it's going to be free of charge forever.
Whoa.
Forever is going to be free of charge. So anyone who register an account, you get 500 meg, half a gig to upload. Half a gig, you can upload the hundreds of catalogs you want into the system. Just do it whatever you want. So, and then you can share it. The most important thing when you share it out via we can share it through via social media like Facebook or LinkedIn or you can share it via WeChat, WhatsApp, and all the chat apps that you want. You can share it and whoever who receive it and they save your catalog, you will get to know everyone, the whole entire list of people who save your catalog number A, save your catalogs B or C or D. So you're able to know, you're able to track. The best part is when you edit your catalog, everybody is updated.
Oh my
So
god.
that is exactly how. So everybody is updated. So
Seriously?
you don't have to worry anymore that I have a new catalog, I have a new catalog that I'm going to send to you. Now, even though if you have my catalog, I'm the owner of the catalog and you save my catalog, you have my catalog. And sometimes previously when somebody when you are carrying a catalog that a real printed catalog that you want, a friend comes to you, "Hey, Alan, can you give me this catalog?" But Alan says, "Oh no, this is my copy." So what does he? What will he do? He said, "Okay, then you lend it to me. I'll make a photocopy."
Yeah.
That was previously. Today, what did you do? I take a picture of it. I just take a picture of it. This printed catalog. All this you don't need to worry anymore. You can just simply show the QR code of this this catalog to another person. He just scan it and he'll be able to get the duplicated copy of the same catalog. And the best part is the owner will know. The owner will know. Yes, the owner will know all the list of people who have saved his catalog or his or her catalog. So the best part is if you save my catalog and you go through my PDF and you have some questions or some specification that you want to know, the next thing is you can just click on the live chat and he'll chat directly with me. So anyone who saved my catalog will be able to chat directly with me. So at the end of the day, this is given free of charge to everybody in the world. Okay, and we are going on worldwide marketing and getting everybody to come on board free of charge.
Bro,
so this is exactly what we are doing. Yes.
you're gonna rock the world, man. You're gonna walk the world, and you're gonna kill the printing company.
Of course not. Okay. Now we are not killing the printing company. The printing business is going down already. Okay, not because of us. It's because of digitization.
Yes, you are right.
Okay. So this is exactly what we're doing. So we hope that what we are doing is that we are going a lot of exhibition. We take part about more than 80 of exhibition shows last year. We do a lot of programs. We do a lot of talks, and to educate and to tell them that this is already there and it's easy. So you just have to upload, and then just push your catalog.
Very good.
That's it.
Benny, you trigger a very good question, and this is the second question that I would like to ask you guys. In this,
it's the same question.
Yes, seriously, I want to know really. What about you, the rest of you? Seriously, during this MCO, what is the impact towards your business? Is it good or bad? Perhaps we can let Benny, you rest for a while first. We get Andy to share about the story. Come, Andy, tell us.
Yes.
Well, I think it's the same for everybody because due to this MCO, everybody is not able to move around, right? Like Friday night, we can't go out for happy hour.
That's the thing.
So what we have experienced is that I think I just give you an example. We have this customer who has been running a steamboat business for 20 over years. So when MCO was announced, they contacted us. They were asking like, "Hey, MCO right now, I can't run my business. So what can you help?" Right? This is the most practical questions.
Yep.
What can you help?
Yep.
So we told them that based on one of our features, which is the QR to order, we are able to send a QR, like Benny, send a QR, or you can just give them a link where they can forward the link through WhatsApp to their customer. By clicking the link, their entire menu from offline to online
Seriously?
seamlessly.
Wow.
Yes, yeah.
Wow, that's
So
very good,
from
man.
there on, I mean, even though MCO has caused so much trouble to F&B business because they can't run the business like the traditional way, but at least, like I say, we are able to create values to them.
Okay.
We are putting their menu online almost immediately. We help them to set up the entire thing, transform within 3 days.
Seriously, 3 days?
Yeah.
We've
3
been
days.
sitting
Of
here
course,
for a
of
month,
course, we
man.
put in a lot of effort.
Yeah.
Of
Best,
course,
man.
we put in a lot of effort to help them.
Andy, I can tell you there were definitely a lot of people going to reach out to you. Help me to set it up in 3 days. I want to run my business.
Of course, because during this time, right, it has really impacted a lot of industry, especially F&B. F&B is one of the most impacted industry. That is why, in order to create values, we are able to help our customer to transform their traditional business, like offline, to an online business, I would say that almost instantly.
Impressive.
This is the value. Yeah, this is the value
Impressive.
that we have.
What about Ivan? Ivan, tell me. I think Andy is going to be very busy. He's very busy on this MCO. What about you? What have you done in this MCO? Whether it impact to you? But Ivan, come tell me.
Oh, I never stopped during this MCO.
Wow.
Yeah. Actually, I would say I would treat this impact as a gift. Okay. I would treat it as a gift because it actually gives people more opportunity in looking into IT, transforming their business to digital, like what Andy says earlier. Okay, so same goes to me and goes to Benny as well, because you see, with one client, okay, they have been running events for many years. Okay, so this MCO thing kicks in, and people start to lose their business because I can't organize any on ground events anymore.
True.
Okay, so immediately they came for us. Okay, and then they said like, hey Ivan, I have this problem, like struggling. How can I to continue to run my business at this period? You know, I'm running event, but I can't do anything right now. I say, okay, I have something for you. Okay, which is something that we're going to launch very soon. Okay, so there's something called VR and AR. Okay, so we actually transform the entire experience into using a virtual fair or virtual booth. We can say that. Okay, so imagine you still organize your event but through online. Okay, because since registration everything can be done online, you still can attend the event. Okay, so using VR and AR experience. Okay, so you can just walk through the booth, and then you can still have, like, if you reach the booth, you can tap on it, we show videos. Okay, and then I'm more encouraged about the exhibitors. Okay, so events not only can be run on the ground, so you can do it virtually. Yeah, that's something we are on it right now, and it'll be very soon to be available that to everyone. I mean, the viewers, and also whoever which is interested in having this platform with them.
Wow.
Okay.
I believe.
Second thing.
Oh, sorry. Please continue.
Yeah. Second thing. Okay. So we talk about products. Okay. Last time, when you launch a product, so you have a campaign, you have a road shows, okay, or sometimes even in supermarkets, yeah, they actually like to promote the product, okay. So what we can do with AR and VR, okay, so everyone have a smart devices, the iPhone or Android devices, okay. So just turn on the camera, you scan on the product, okay. So let the product talk to you, okay. You listen to me, let the product talk to you.
I don't understand.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's say if you scan a product, so the product will start to have its own animations running around. Okay. Let me give you an example of the one that we are working right now, which is a baby product selling milk powder. Okay. So you see, packaging, they actually come in different types of packaging, like in boxes or in the metal tin, a metal can. Okay, so we take the boxes as an example. Okay, so if you use your phone, you open the camera and then you scan at the boxes, right? So the box will start to play animation. You see how interesting is it? Okay, you start to play animation, and then you have a like short, like 4 to 5 seconds of introduction, like what is this product about, a video. Okay, And then at the same time, it will display all the necessary informations. Okay, you know what's a good thing about if you are a mom or a dad, okay, you go to the shopping mall, you pick a milk powder, but then usually you just see which one is the cheapest or which one says
Yeah.
is the best from its cover itself.
Yeah.
Okay, but now the app now the product actually talk to you. Okay, so you get to understand more about the product virtually. Okay, so I think this one make a big part of solving like how people is trying to market their product during this MCO period.
Wow, bro, I can see that you're gonna rule the world. In the fashion industry or the FMCG industry, everyone gonna look for you these two solutions, man. In fact, I think we will also count out with you, bro. Give me some business also lah. What about Benny? Benny, what about you?
First day of MCO,
Mm.
I'm lost.
Huh?
I'm totally
What happened?
first day MCO. I don't know what to do. I've been going out, talking to people, getting hello, with yam cha, teh tarik, kopi. That's the first day. Second day and third day, I start thinking what I'm gonna do. So I thought that first of all, I thought that this MCO, this lockdown, this COVID-19 thing is going to hit us hard. But actually, after a while, I said that no, it's not actually hitting us hard. I get a lot of people who is registering using CatDis and all this. You see, end of the day, you really sit down and really relook at the whole business. Okay, really remodify, relook at the whole business. In fact, you see, more people uses CatDis right now. More people uses of app right now. Reason why? Because when during this lockdown, business people, aggressive business people don't just sit down and do nothing. They think of ways and means to get out of it, to think out of the box. So end of the day, they think about how to do marketing using online or whatsoever. You see, even before the lockdown, before COVID-19, everybody is on their handphone. Everybody is using social media every day, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. It has always been this lah. And at the same time, for chat apps, they're using WeChat, WhatsApp. These are things that they used to do every day. Now during this lockdown, these are also the things that they use every day. Okay, so so you still have to communicate. You still have to communicate outside. Your business still has to go on. So the best part is that right now they are able to make use of and CatDis, which is a free of charge app that they can they can upload whatever they want. They start. You use this period to create all this, to learn new things. It's like you, me, all of us. We are learning new things. Before that, do we know about Zoom? We don't know anything about Zoom. Do we know about StreamYard? We don't know anything about StreamYard. Today, after the MCO, during this lockdown, we are forced to learn all these things. And we are forced to modify our business. Everything has to change. So, no choice. I have to change. So, when I change, I get to find out that, hey, actually, we are doing better than even before the lockdown.
Yeah.
In fact, doing better before the lockdown. We forced us to do something even more. So end of the day, what we did was we really promote, and we find that more people find, of course, before the MCO, sometime before the lockdown, we continue promoting the app. Sometimes people don't take it seriously. Or what about, they don't care whether it's digital or whatsoever. As long as I find it convenient for me, I can just send the catalog out. You see, when you can send the catalog out via WhatsApp, it's convenient. But what about at the end? At the end of the day, they need to know. At the end of the day, they need to know that they need to manage. So that's where today, during this lockdown period, a lot of people have a lot of time to really sit down and think, okay, how they're gonna do, what kind of system, and they know very well the word digital. So thank you for also having this session, okay, talk about digitization, because this lockdown is all about looking into digitization. Okay,
Very
everything
good.
is digitized.
Very good.
Yes.
So
When we talk to you, it's also digitization. Is it?
It creates new opportunity.
Yes, correct.
that is very good. So I need to get a pause first for a while, you guys, because you know why? I think everyone is getting very, very excited now. Very excited to understand how their solution can help the peoples. So I give you guys 5 minutes to rest a while, to get some drink and go to toilet break. Because why? I want the audience, current audience, because you guys is not doing things, you see. You're listening to all the business seekers right now, and you're listening all these people sharing a very valuable news to you guys. I want you guys to start sharing to more people, to reach out to more people. You know why? The effort that you're putting, the more people that you're sharing, you will contribute some special gift from the people. All right. This time I want them to start sharing first. Okay. I leave it to you guys for a 5-minute rest. Okay. Then we'll come back again to talk about the following topic. Is it cool?
Sure.
Cool.
Okay. So guys, now I want you. Now let me change the screen. Okay. I want these people start to share get more share first. Okay. Then only we will continue the topic again. Okay. I want this to be happen. So tell me, guys, are you guys sharing? Are you guys start sharing again or not? If you're not sharing, I'm not going to share this video. I want you guys to share this out to the people. Please share it out. Share it out. You want to continue to listen what they say, please start to share it out. Once you share it out, and I will give you the prizes. Okay? Come on, share it out again, okay? Come. Now, if you guys don't share it out, I'm not going to share this thing. I'm not going to give out the prizes. Okay? Share it out now, please. I want to see more people is sharing this video out so that we will continue to talk about the topic. Okay? If you're interested to know more, please help me to share this out. The speakers actually went for drinks. The guy has been sharing a very fruitful information to you guys almost and close to 40 minutes. Okay, now I want you guys to share it out and I will bring them in again. Okay, you heard me? I will bring them in again. Yeah, Paul, you are right. We need time to digest this. Seriously, you know why? Seriously, it's too much of information feeding in. Andy solution can help over 100 years sport club to turn into profit generating club in 6 months time. Think about it. It's never happened in our history. And Ivan, he's been helping so many industry to change their business to digitalize. Think about it, in digitalize their business. And this business, okay, hang on. I try to bring them in again. And Ivan is making over 10 millions a month, annually. And do you want to talk to him by understand how your business can get help from Ivan to run in automation in digitalized format? If you're interested to know, I want you to share. Okay? If you don't share, I'm not going to release more information. I'm not going to let them to talk. I'm not going to let them to talk. All right? So if you want to, please bring more friends coming in, and I promise you, I will bring them and continue to share the following topics. Okay? Come. You want to know more? Come on, don't miss the chance. I need more share now. I need more share now. Now I need more share. If you guys want to continue, we need more share. Okay? Come. They are coming in. I can tell you they are coming in. In another 2 more minutes, the lucky winners, you will get the prizes from them. The lucky winners, you guys will get the lucky prizes from them. Okay? Come. Get more share, I will bring them in, I promise. I'm going to tell you the following topic is going to be very, very interesting. Okay? Okay? Ivan is here. He was also saying, if you share more to your friends, he will provide the prizes to you as a one-to-one section, how he can transform your business into everything is automate. Okay? It doesn't matter you are from a factory or logistic or even from F&Bs or even from any industry that you're working in right now. Okay? He will able to help you. Okay? This is very, very important. Okay? Sorry. just now accidentally closed them already. I'm so sorry. This is my first time, pardon me. I'm first time to run this webinar. A bit panic, but I think I will do better for sure. Okay, so tell me, do you want to listen more? The following topics. Do you want to hear more? Do you want to hear more from them? Do you want to hear more from them? Start to share. Another 1 more minute, we're going to kickstart the next topic already. Okay? Are you guys ready, speaker?
Yes, of course, yes.
All right. Okay, let's gonna start. Hey, Andy hasn't in yet, huh? Andy, we are calling you. Let's wait for Andy, then we'll get Andy.
So, yeah, I
Yeah.
see some of my friends are in here.
Yeah, that's the thing, you know.
Thank you. We have people from Hong Kong coming, dialing from Hong Kong, Singapore. A lot of them are from Singapore.
Yeah.
From Brunei. Yes.
You can imagine that.
Very good.
Everyone wants to hear about how you can transform the business into digitalized. Can you imagine that?
Yes.
Yeah. So now we are waiting for Andy to coming in. So, okay, while we're waiting for Andy's, Ivan, tell me, how Second Life has been working with you so far. You can share the experience with us. Here, come.
Yeah. Hi, Alan. Yeah. I think you haven't shared the screen to the.
Yeah, I'm sharing now to Andy. I'm sorry, apologize. I make a mistake there. All right, cool. Ivan, perhaps you can kickstart first
Yeah.
while I'm navigating from Andy to come in.
Okay, can I have a question again?
Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
So throughout this journey of our partnership, let's talk about this. This is very important. We are talking about partnership now. So how you think about Second Life has been working with you and they're able to help you in your business. This is quite pretty interesting topic. Sorry about
Okay,
it, Andy. Just now missed out something for you. I accidentally wrongly closed out the chat group, the webinar. Okay, maybe we get Ivan to start first. Come, Ivan.
Okay. Very simple but very impactful, I can say. Okay. So like earlier I mentioned that we do like event apps and this kind of apps and programming thing. So during events, so what are the things that that always people need to list on, which is like those tablets, okay, iPhones, iPads, okay. So they need all these devices actually to run through the events.
Mm-hmm.
Not only for registration purpose or sometimes for agenda viewing or just put it on some of the corners for more information. Okay, so what I mean like the thing is before we actually know Alan Second Life. Okay, so we used to rent a lot of devices and we need to like rent extra devices. Okay, extra devices. Why? Because I need to have I need to stand by. So what happened if something goes wrong with those devices? Then I immediately need to replace with a new one. Okay, because if something some if the device not working, I can't like really get an immediate one-to-one replacement on the spot. Okay, so that's why I always need to fork up an additional cost actually to pre-plan for all this. Okay, but after I've been engaging with you, okay, so the best thing is the service because we actually create a very good efficiency on the event, especially when creating experience, because you can't have things went down. Okay, so since Second Life they're able to provide a solution that they can deliver everything in a very prompt manner. Okay, like immediately. So hey, I got something wrong with this. So yeah, okay, immediately we can do a one-to-one replace with you. Okay, so during or the day before the event. Okay, so we don't have to spend too much cost like in standby all these devices, because all this is actually a cost. Okay, so I would rather save up the cost to work on something better. Yeah. So yeah, that's the very best experience after I got involved together with
Thank you. I seriously, I didn't know our efficient response, one-to-one swap within the same day. It helped you a lot, especially come to your events, lah. But I'm really glad that we can help you here. So what about Andy? Andy, tell us what's the relationship? How you think about Second Life right now that we did help you in what sense? That perhaps you can share the experience with us.
Sure. Our business foundation is rely on three letter RAS. R stands for reliability, A stands for availability, and S stands for serviceability. So the reliability, of course, we rely a lot on iPads, right? So what is the difference between a traditional system and us is that because ours is running on cloud based, and we rely heavily on iPads. So we I give you an example. If let's say there's any iPad that's already broken, so once we get a replacement, by just logging into the ID and license ID, everything will back online.
Mm-hmm.
That's where you guys come in, Alan.
Yeah.
Because you guys are able to give us a one-to-one swap within the 24 hours. That's why, like Ivan, what was Ivan saying that we don't have to keep much stock, you know. Of course, is within Klang Valley is reasonable, right? So that's why we don't have to keep too many stocks in the office.
Yeah.
Previously, we do send out our iPads for third party replacement and for break fix, but they simply cannot match what you are offering.
How?
Because you guys are giving us a 1 year warranty on the fixed part.
Yes.
That's really play a big role in our business continuity as well.
Yeah, you're right. Thank you. Seriously.
This is, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why this is a win-win situation. I help you, you help me.
You are right.
Same.
Yeah, you guys is right. Seriously, we very emphasize on the quality. That's why we want to help our customer, which is our B2B market, our client, which is our strategy partners, to reach out as many of customers, to forget about the entire hardware problems, the burdens, the extra costs, or you've been cheated by some of the resellers that probably give you some copy parts and cause you a headache probably 1 or 2 months later on. This is because when I run my business, I've encountered this problem at the beginning stage. That's why I decided to form this business when I found this opportunity. It's come from my overseas partners, and I invite him over to Malaysia to be my biggest shareholders to kickstart this business. I'm really glad that the business principles can really help all our strategy partners here. Okay, and what about Benny? How about you? What do you think about us that we can help you?
Okay, very good. Do you know that when you first invited me to come into this talk, so I do not know about what Second Life is. So what happened is I went to search online. As good as all those viewers right now do not know what Second Life is. So I said Second Life. Second Life. That means if I die, I have another life. Okay, okay, never mind. So I go and take a look. Well, it is a second life. So let me tell the viewers right now in layman point of view. You see, as you know, that during this period of time, phone is very, very important. Mobile phone is very important to everyone right now.
Yes.
Okay. Previously, before the internet ages, you go into MRT. I mean, not in Malaysia, but in Singapore, during the late 1980s when MRT just came out. When we go to MRT, everybody talking to each other. Today, you go to MRT, 10 people that you see, 10 people is on the phone. That means you will know that people cannot live without a mobile phone right now because everything is all inside the mobile phone.
Yes.
Okay. So end of the day, what happens here is, you cannot leave your mobile phone. Once I can tell you, if you leave the house, you forget to bring your wallet, you forget to bring anything, never buy. Don't ever forget to bring your mobile phone. I can tell you, how far you go, you turn all the way back just to get a mobile phone.
That's true.
That's one thing. So meaning to say that I cannot live without a mobile phone where I need to contact people and everything. Now, so the fact is this, when I take a look at it, when I see your site and I see some videos that you're talking about, your partner has been talking about, I say, hey, this is very good because you give one-to-one replacement and you can do it on the spot, and you can because I'm an Apple user.
Yeah.
Okay. I use Apple. So I take a look at it. Okay. So you're not talking about just phone. even
Watch.
Apple Watch, all those you also talking
MacBook.
about on the same day you're going to get it done. Now, and right now I remember that when Andy was saying it's 1 year warranty. Wow, 1 year warranty. So end of the day, there's nothing better.
No.
I can tell you very frankly. If my iPhone is down, straight away I know where to go to.
Yes.
You see, that's the thing. Straight away I know where to go to. And it also stated that in your website, it stated that you will repair it in front of us. Wow.
Yes.
I said, okay, this is very good. So such good things, especially you know me. You know, the people in the industry, they know me. I used to share. If I have good things, I share. Okay. So when good news, you share to everybody. So end of the day, I look at it, sharing good things to people is actually benefit to me. Actually, it's a benefit to me because people will be happy. Sometimes when you get good things, you start sharing with people. It is a plus point. Okay, everybody say, hey, thank you very much, Benny. Thanks for sharing this good stuff for me. So I look at it. This is really really good stuff. I don't usually introduce to my community of whatever things. I don't do promotion. I don't do those promotion of products and services for other people. But I look at this. This is a very good thing. So why not? Just if I have a problem with the product, but I just bring it there. I'll bring it to you rather than I bring it to all the. I'm sorry, I'm telling you very frankly, I won't bring it to Apple Shop anymore. Okay, just say, hey, this for me and get it done.
Yeah.
I believe that this is, and then furthermore, you're authorized. The best part is you're authorized to do it. So why not? So this is important. So I will. Not only me, I will believe if anybody will tell me, I think I can be a better salesman than you selling your.
Thank you, Penny. You have made a very, very good point. You know what? Because like I say, I actually have shared this story in my previous life before. I still remember when I bring my shareholders, which is my our overseas partner to Malaysia, right? He visit the entire business market. He visit the operator. He have a meeting with the C levels and the telco C levels. We go to the ground. We go to the authorized centers and everything. Until now I still remember the last message before he leave the country, before he leave Malaysia. He just tell me just one word. He just tell me one message. He say, guys, Alan, you guys has been bullied by the brands. You see, because you know why? You guys have no any other choice that except the authorized service center or the third party players. And I can sure majority of you're going to switch to the third party because they are cheap, affordable, but you're jeopardizing your devices. You're killing your business. So that's why I feel like, this is something that's been missing in the market. Our entire consumer, we have no second options to choose where to go into service unless we're paying we're willing to pay for the premium to the authorized service centers. So that's the purpose of Second Life was setting up, and we want to serve the peoples. We live it up. We want to help the B2B market has been forget for so long. And this is not a new concept, guys. I can tell you the truth. It's not a new concept. It's been in overseas, in Latin America, in US more than 15 years. Because my partner is serving all these tier 1 operators. And I'm bringing it to you guys. And I'm glad right now my technology and our solutions is able to help your service, Ivan, Andy, your service, and also Benny, our future collaboration as well. You see, I'm really, really looking forward on this, okay? And the last things I want to know, because I think a lot of people actually is waiting for our prizes, okay? Before we giving up the prizes, okay? I want to know what advice that you're going to give to our audience, okay? What is the advice that you're going to give to our audience? Then that they should move forward to digitalize right now, okay? Perhaps Benny, you start first.
Move into digitization. Okay, I think first of all, we talk about this during this lockdown. Okay, during this lockdown, first of all, for family members, first of all, give advice about this lockdown first about what people can do. It's not just about business, but I think it's also about social. For family members, I mean for family, good. You stay home, you have more time with family members and kids. Okay, there's never a better time. Okay, like that in the past. Okay, in the past you don't have that kind of luxury that you stay home all the way. Now you're forced to stay home. So, but you see, on the opposite side, this lockdown may also create a lot of problems. Where people are forced to stay together. There are also a lot of domestic violence can happen. of course, it is important
Yeah.
that people have to be patient with each other, you know.
Yes.
Some you just have to be patient. And this is my first advice. Second advice is for teenagers. Teenagers, you know, these teenagers, okay, some are not very happy. You know why? Because their parents and guardians are on their back. Okay,
Oh, the-
yeah. During working hours, everybody is out, but now the parents, guardians are on their back. So right now, but always look at the bright side. Okay, look at the bright side and take it as a chance to spend time with family members. Always look at the good side and positive side. Now comes to this in terms of business owners. Okay, business owners, it is the best time for you to rethink and to improve your
yes.
operation. Okay, it is the best time, I can tell you, because if you don't do that, you know what the other things you are doing? You are lying down on the couch watching TV. So which is better? Best is to sit down on the table in front of a computer, start thinking. Start thinking how to modify your business. Okay, modify your operation, modify your management. Okay, think of how Ivan can help. Think of how Andy can help. And all these okay. These are the things that people need. To really to it is the next level that you got to move. Okay, if this COVID-19 lockdown do not even move you to the next level, I think you're in trouble.
Yes.
Okay, so that's the thing is that you have to really move to the next level. So we are talking about digitization. You see, the whole entire moving to the next level is all about digitization. Whether using these to send your catalogs, using the AI system that you work with Andy, you can work with Ivan, for all the system you want to build an app, you can sit down and think, maybe I want to build an app for this, I have an idea. So everything or to digitize your business using app, you can create an app, to do something. So that is how you may want to do it for customer, for to the customers' operations and all this. So there are a lot of things during this COVID-19. There's so much time now. Okay, I think some people are complaining, say, again extended the MCO, they extended, But look, take it as the positive side. Look at the bright side. Thanks for the extension, so I got more time to
For the
think
family.
and to modify my business.
Yes.
Now that is what I'm looking at. So this is how I'm going to advise all the viewers. Yeah,
Good.
To look at
The
things
bright
this way.
side. Good.
Thank
What about Andy? Andy, what's the last
Uh,
message you're going to tell the guests or the audience? Okay.
Well, I would say that change is the only constant in life,
Yes.
right?
Agree.
Change is the only constant in life because in terms of business, and you can see that the business world has been changing from time to time, especially during this lockdown. So many traditional business has no choice but to rethink, like what Benny has mentioned just now. You have to rethink how should we, transform our business. You either to be too pessimistic, like you give up, oh no, I give up right now. I just wrap up my business. I won't do anything anymore. Or there are another type of group of people who are too optimistic. Like some of my customer, when I told them during the first MCO phase 1, I told them, hey, you got to rethink, you got to act now. They told me that don't worry, only 14 days, very fast one.
Yeah.
Right now it's MCO phase number 4, almost lost count. So I think the real survivor will be the realistic people, those who really rethink, stop, look, and think, and at the same time acknowledging that what is happening and look for the possibilities.
Yes.
These are the real survivor. Those who can transform the quickest will be the real survivor. And I sincerely want to, I hope that our viewers, you will stay positive, look for possibilities, and at the same time, don't give up so early. This pandemic, this lockdown will definitely over. even though we don't know when, but it will definitely over, right? As the saying that there's always light at the end of the tunnel.
Yes.
So stay healthy, stay strong, and keep fighting.
Yes.
Over to you, Alan.
Thank you, Andy. Thank you,
One
Andy.
thing, Andy.
Yes.
Andy, yeah.
Yes.
That's what everybody got to do. That's what everybody got to do. Okay, so you get light after that. But if they don't do that, if they don't do this, they don't listen to your advice, there's also light at the end of the tunnel.
What light?
It's the light of the train.
Yeah, long appear already.
Remember, make sure you see the real light and it's not the light of the train. So you want to see the real light, okay, listen to Andy's advice.
Yes, very good. Thank you. And what about you, Ivan?
I think I'm just gonna summarize what Benny and Eddie said, because basically, you guys really said all the things that I wanted to say. So yeah, I mean, like, just stay focused, okay? And to be honest, don't be afraid of this pandemic crisis, because if your own self doesn't beat you, so nothing can beat you, okay? And keep improving, because you can actually take this period to learn something new, to build something new, okay? So no matter you are going for non-IT things, like trying to build new skills, or you go for IT things, try to build something different, to go digital, okay? So keep yourself improved, okay? And if we can overcome this crisis, and yes, we are at another level, okay? If after the MCO period ends, you are still the same, meaning you are already very, very far ahead of what is people in front of you, okay? So you are just watching people till light, okay? So you are not watching the light at the end of the tunnel. Yeah. So just make sure that everyone's mind is clear, positive, and remember, we are not fighting this alone, okay?
Yes.
So I just want to wish everyone good luck, okay? And hopefully our solutions, okay, and also Benny's, Alan, and also Andy can help you guys to fight through this together. So going digital is not easy, but as long as you believe in it, okay, you think of the right possibility and the right way, you can do it.
Good. Thank you so much. We have faith on this. We're gonna win the crisis, okay, guys? We're gonna win the crisis, okay? So for me to end this live, right? So what I'm gonna do right now is I spoke to all these three parties, the three speakers, and they are willing to contribute their expertise or their solutions to help all the entrepreneur or any SME that actually facing issues on digital transformation. So you guys is have a chance right now. We will choose that person that has been shared our life and he's supporting our life since the beginning until now. We will choose you guys to have a chance to take to enjoy the gift or the present that's been assigned by them. So as you guys heard, Benny is offering this solution free 500 meg to you guys to use it up to digitalize all your documentation now or your catalog. Start working it. Imagine that once you have cataloged your documents and in the digital format, you were able to track down who is the user or the viewer has been downloaded your documents. This is very important, guys. You will know who are there, how you're going to reach him and offer him the promotion to hunt for your sales. Okay, I have to say very thank you to Benny. Your solution is amazing. I can guarantee assure I will use your solution for sure. Okay, and Ivan, what you going to offer right now? Tell us what you're going to offer to the audience.
Okay, so I believe everyone in the mind right is like, oh, okay, I have a traditional business running right now. Okay, even though I have an IT business running right now, so traditional one is how can I transform? Okay, the one which is running on IT business today, how can I improve? Okay, so I'm actually offering a one-to-one sessions. Okay, like how I can help your business to transform and also to improve in digitization. Okay, but one more extra thing. Okay, so not only giving consultations, I'm giving away also a discount whoever which is willing to start a platform that we're gonna build for them. Yes.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. You are giving a very, very valuable prices to all our audience here. Okay, and remember, these prices are only giving those persons have shared our life right now. Okay? Thank you so much. And what about Andy? Well, you see, there's already have one guy called Alan also. Alan also want to have one-to-one section. Alan,
Alan,
please.
oh, very good to see you here. Okay, Alan is a very big guy.
Is
Okay,
it?
Alan, I will send Ivan's contact to you. Okay, and you can be rest assured, I'll be working very closely with Ivan. He's the best.
Yes.
Trust me, best.
Yes.
Okay, and I can
With
tell
our
you,
work.
okay, not only just the best, but he can also, he's also honest and very direct. You know, he don't turn or beat around the bush. I can tell you, this is one thing I can. So I will send Ivan's contact to you. You know, in this world, it's all about helping each other. So that's what I
Yes.
was saying.
Mm.
Good things, everything we share. So Ivan is one of the good things
Right.
I'm talking.
Good, good.
Thank you,
Very
thank you,
good.
thank you, thank you. Yeah.
So don't worry, he's not the train at the end of the tunnel.
Okay, good, good, good. Thank you. Thank you, Benny. So, Andy, what about you? What the prizes that you're going to be giving away to all our audience here that have difficulty to transform their traditional business to digitalize? Tell me what you can offer to them.
So since we are heavily involved in the F&B industry and e-commerce, so what we are offering is that those who really have interest to transform the business into a digital world, we are giving you free consultation. At the same time, the prices is worth more than $2,000.
Yes, I believe that.
We are willing to do that in order to help each other. Like Benny said, this is the world of right now.
This
is all about helping each other.
You are right. Andy, you are right. But are you agree or are you willing to give out free consultation to all of the audience who are interested in the business, or you want to limit it to a certain of prices only? Because it will take up a lot of effort of you. You see, bro, I don't want to you spend too much of effort on this, but tell me, you want to give it to all, or you just want to limit to the first 10 or maybe first 5?
First 10.
Yes, first 10, is it? Cool.
Yeah.
That
I'm not Captain America, man. I can't save you.
yeah. That's the thing. You see, when you talk about like all of it, right, I was like, wow, man. Right now we have about close to 40 people is watching now, and some of my watch party is also watching. Wow, man, you gotta be very crazy. You know, everyone just call you up. Hey, Andy, help me do it. And you gotta be crazy. So we make it very variable. It's only first 10 people have shared. You'll get the contact to with Andy to transform the business into digital. All right, cool.
Thanks, bro.
Thank
Cool.
you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate for your times and sharing the experience and the information here. You see, I believe all the audience is listening right now. They have enjoyed the information you have been shared and the experience you have shared. So, what I will do is I will choose and select those have shared our Facebook or the live. I will copy out the information and I'll pass it to you guys. Okay. Stay safe, guys. Stay audience. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Okay. We'll catch up again. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Thank you. Take care.
Take care.